So friends, the tech machine has been brought for you. Again, a new video. In today's video, you will see how the electronic toilet seat is made in the factory. We are going to tell the whole process of the seat on which you sit. So let's start the video without any delay. Design and prototyping. Concept. Design. Engineers create a design for the toilet seat, incorporating features like heated seats, bidet functionality, LED lighting, and sensors. Prototyping. A prototype is made to test the design and functionality before mass production. Material selection. Base materials. High-quality plastic, like polypropylene or ABS, is used for the seat and lid. Metal components for hinges and bidet nozzles are typically stainless steel or brass. Electronic components. Sensors, circuit boards, heating elements, and water pumps are sourced and tested for quality. Plastic molding and forming. Injection molding. The seat and lid are created by injecting molten plastic into molds. Trimming. Excess plastic is trimmed and the edges are smoothed. Surface finishing. Seats may be polished or coated for durability and aesthetics. Assembly of electronic components. PCB assembly. Circuit boards are manufactured and programmed with the necessary software to control functions like heating, water pressure, and drying. B. Component integration. Sensors, nozzles, and heating elements are installed in the plastic housing. Wiring is connected to ensure proper communication between components. Hydraulic system assembly. Water nozzles. Adjustable nozzles for bidet functions are installed. Pumps and filters. Water pumps and filtration systems are added to ensure hygiene. Tubing. Leak-proof tubing connects the water supply to the nozzles and heater. Quality testing. Electrical testing ensures all electronic functions, e.g., heating, remote control, sensors, are working correctly. Waterproof testing verifies that the seat is sealed and resistant to water damage. Pressure and flow tests checks water pressure and flow for bidet functionality. Durability tests. The seat is tested for load-bearing capacity and wear resistance assembly of final product. Seat and lid installation. The molded seat and lid are attached to the electronic base. Remote controls. If included, remotes or control panels are paired with the unit. Packaging. The finished product is cleaned, packaging, and distribution. Packing. The seats are packed in protective packaging to prevent damage during transportation. EU shipping. Products are distributed to retailers, wholesalers, or directly to customers.